Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we will be unboxing the HPE Aruba Networking CX6200M 48-port Class 6 POE switch. For more information, check out the other videos on our channel or the library on our website via the link in the description below. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. This cloud-managed stackable access switch series is ideal for enterprise branch offices and campus networks, as well as small-medium businesses that require higher POE and bandwidth on their network. Let's get to the unboxing. Here is your safety, compliance, and warranty documentation. In the side pocket, you'll find a standard 19-inch rack mounting kit. There is nothing else in the box. Now, let's have a closer look at the switch. On the front, you will find 48 gigabit PoE ports. All of these ports are capable of delivering Class 6 PoE or up to 60 watts of power. The last 12 ports are also smart rate capable, supporting data rates of 1, 2.5, and 5 gig. Here are 4 SFP Plus ports used for stacking and fiber uplinks. Here is the reset button. You will need a pin to access it if you ever need to use it. Here's the LED mode selector button and the dedicated out-of-band management port. The switch comes with 2 console port types, traditional RJ45 and a new USB-C type. Please note that a console cable is not included with the switch. If required, these will need to be ordered separately. Over here, there is a USB auxiliary port. At the bottom, there is an orange insert that contains the switch part number, serial number, and MAC address. At the back of the switch, you will find a primary fan tray and a slot for the optional redundant fan tray. There is a grounding lug and 2 empty slots for primary and redundant power supplies. Please note that you will need to order at least 1 power supply in order to power up this switch. Mixing different power supply types is not recommended. You will notice that the switch has perforated air vents on both sides, as well as along the bottom of the port side. These vents are used for cool air intake. Hot air is exhausted at the back through the fan trays and power supplies. You should ensure that none of these are obstructed during the switch operation and plan your cold aisle hot aisle installation accordingly. And there you have it. Check out the Phoenix Pro Club YouTube channel for more unboxing and how-to videos. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!